How to get YouTube Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get YouTube Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get YouTube Premium, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your YouTube application here. Once you launch your YouTube app, make sure it is the official YouTube app, and now you can see I'm successfully logged into my account. Now you have to make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Scroll down. If you don't see it here, you'll find an option known as Get YouTube Premium. So you can tap the Get YouTube Premium option here, and once you tap on the Get YouTube Premium option, over here you'll find the option called Try It for Free. So now when you tap the Try It for Free option over here, you should be able to go ahead and then select your plan, whether you want an individual plan, family or student plan, whatever else you prefer. You can tap the confirm option here. Make sure to add your credit or debit card, and then YouTube Premium will get successfully activated. This way you can get YouTube Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.